guys, we're really scared. My mother just fell asleep, and I'm so scared right now. We can't turn on our phone devices. It's not working here. Can I show you?
Yeah.
So I brought this device, and look.
Is it keep turning off and on? And Bailey, like a couple of minutes ago, she was like
She kept pawing at the window.
yeah, and like.
And then also my baby go bye-bye turned on all by itself.
And we hear noises. Kylie, I'm scared.
Oh my gosh, we're scared, guys. We're so scared. Okay, let's play. Okay, come on. Bring our baby Anna. We'll bring everything. Come on, I'm so scared. Emily, oh my gosh, I'm so scared. I don't like this. This is not cool. This is not fun. Guys, this is not fun, guys. This is not. This is how I felt when you were doing that prank to me, Emily.
Where did my phone go?
Oh my gosh. Hold on. Follow the cords. Got it. Oh, it just unplugged. Oh. Sorry. Sorry, I'm touching your phone.
It's fine.
It's that little young boy started following you.
What?
Remember that TikTok boy? He started following you.
Oh yeah. Sure.
Just shush. Okay, I'm so scared. I think that's Bailey just licking her paw. I wish Bailey didn't.
She's not licking her paw. She's probably just annoying, or it's mom.
My mom snores all the time. Where's baby go bye-bye? Where's baby go bye-bye? Oh my gosh.
Wait, where's Olivia?
Olivia?
Oh, she's in my hand all the time.
Oh my gosh, I'm so scared.
So, we're just sleeping together right now because we're scared.
Yeah, we're going to cuddle probably tonight. So we're probably going to turn off the camera because the camera's going to die quite soon. So,
Wait, I still have my tablet's full charge though. That's amazing.
okay, yeah.
We could watch YouTube and we could watch TikTok and play maybe hide and seek on my tablet because I can't play Adopt Me or other games, just hide and seek and obbies.
Ow! You are pulling on my hair, young lady.
Can you be quiet, remember?
I know.
You try my throat.
Okay, let's
Wait, I literally keep turning my phone off and then just keep coming on. Every time when I place it down, it comes on. It's not turning.
That's creepy.
I'm just scared. Okay, I'm gonna grab my iPad. My drink is right next to me.
Emily, I don't even have my drink next to me. Emily, I'm not set up. Okay, hold on. Let me get set up. Okay, let me grab my tablet right here.
Where's your phone?
Emily, I have it right now. It's right here. Look.
Sorry, guys. We keep flipping you over.
We're so sorry. We're just trying to get set up right now because we're super, super scared. Okay, Emily, look what I made. Is that smart?
Mm-hmm. Oh, dang it.
Dang it. Okay, what the hell?
God, you're not supposed to say it or else you get banned from YouTube.
I know.
Guys, she said it. Well, what the heck?
Yeah,
Yeah.
don't worry. Yes, I said what the heck. Yeah.
Because it's so scary right now. Like, literally.
Like, what the heck? Okay.
So,
Yeah, we're never gonna say the word. Yeah. Never, Emily. This is not gonna reach towards Mr. Bear Bear. Guys, we made a makeshift tripod because we're too scared to go not downstairs. I mean, go to
Anywhere.
Go to anywhere like right now.
Yeah.
Because like we saw Bailey pawing at the window. We saw.
And like every time when we go
Emily?
in Kylie's room, we hear knocking. Wait, I should another knock.
Who's that? Stop.
I hear some.
Shush. 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 Okay, I'm scared.
I keep hearing noises, literally. I hear knocks everywhere. It's going all around the house. I'm scared.
Guys, we're scared. Okay, guys, we gotta keep vlogging. We can't.
My giraffe. Oh.
You're gonna start crying again.
Yeah, I was about to cry. Because, like, my grandma, she's almost 90, and basically almost 90 people. I just saw a bug just, like, fall down the window. It was inside.
Guys, we gotta stop recording for a quick second. I gotta check my mom's phone something.